Number 1. Find the roots of your procrastination. At a deeper level, procrastination might not even be real. It can just be a symptom of a disease that's either overthinking or perfectionism. We'll deal with these later. For now, we say congratulations. Research shows that procrastinators' minds tend to be overactive, and we value nothing more than a thinking mind. Number 2. You need to trust yourself. We frankly don't care that much about other people's opinions, but we do want to gain our self-respect. And to achieve that, you need to become reliable for yourself. And that means keeping your word, at least in most cases. And you need to do it for yourself and no one else. Number 3. Stay ahead of the curve. Life is fluid, and so are your passions. Therefore, 1 year from now, you might not want this project as badly as you do right now. Anything can lose its charm once our brain acclimates, even to the greatest of ideas. That's exactly why you need to put it into practice before your brain tricks you into not wanting it anymore. We're not here to lag behind our lives, we're here to be their leaders. Number 4. Offload the CPU. No, you don't need to be a coding ninja to achieve that. Procrastination can happen due to an overflow of active decisions, and so your mind can get confused with prioritization, especially when dopamine tricks you. In simple terms, the CPU is overheated. So, get rid of all unnecessary physical and digital assets, be that clothes or even stocks you once purchased that don't align with your objectives anymore. Clearing your space will clear you time, ultimately giving you more clarity. Number 5. Quantify the time savings. No need to take an algebra course, however. Use this simple rule instead. If the task you're procrastinating on can provide significant time savings in the future, then that's exactly what you need to get started on. Number 6. Initiate heart.exe. Alright, enough IT slang for now. But seriously, do you remember the last time you had that great idea? Perhaps it was a business idea. How did you feel in that split second when you first thought of it? We hope nothing short of great. Feelings can sometimes trick us, but also show us where our hearts are. Remember that powerful feeling every time you lose enthusiasm and use it as fuel to get going again. Number 7. Pick your battles. Time has zero meaning in a world without deadlines. Choose wisely what you procrastinate on. Do procrastinate on things with a deadline if you can handle stress well, but even then, think about the worst case scenario before doing things last minute. Scary, isn't it? But never procrastinate on things without a deadline, because these can potentially make you happier in the long term, which is what we all aim for. Number 8. Stop being the boring police. It's old news that every human tends to procrastinate when things are boring, but we are not only programmed to chase dopamine, we also have it in our blood to pursue resilience, and that bit only comes with doing the hard work, which could be pretty dull. Just remember that resilience is tenfold as powerful as dopamine is, so stop calling it boring and start calling it work. Number 9. Improve time management skills. This one is easy. Just go to our video about time management. Number 10. Tunnel vision. Keep following your North Star. Tasks should match goals and personal values. The reason you're procrastinating may be because you haven't found your calling yet, so keep searching for it. Also, if you often procrastinate in one specific area, that's a clear sign to start reconsidering your goals. Number 11. Stop watching TV and Netflix. Binge watching is the perfect setting where you can both procrastinate and feel good about it. Be better than that. Number 12. Cheat. Just a little. Let us explain. Your to-do list has both simple and more complex tasks. If you find yourself procrastinating on more complicated stuff, just cheat. Get going on the simple tasks first, and you'll soon start feeling the mastery that comes with execution. Use the Kanban technique, basically splitting tasks into 3 groups: to do, in progress, and done. We assume you like symmetry like anyone else, so you'll want to balance the scales and move some tasks to the in progress and done boxes. Number 13. We'll leave this one for tomorrow. Seriously now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with you. Our ancestors didn't wake up early in the morning and spend half an hour in bed having coffee and reading the news. We, on the other hand, will rather chase a stress-free day. We are procrastinators because our mindset has shifted at a societal level, and so when we need to work hard, we can no longer tap into that ancestral energy reservoir. It is simply not a habit anymore. So let's just blame society for that one. Nah, we're just kidding. We'll leave you with our favorite quote on the topic. You may delay, but time will not. Benjamin Franklin. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more ones like it, subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.